Don't forget that this tutorial is part of a series of tutorials which you can access on our YouTube playlist, or alternatively, if you would like to, you can purchase the whole course on Udemy. There should be a link to the YouTube playlist and a link to our Udemy course, which should always provide the best price in the video description. Once you start working with a larger amount of records in your database, you'll probably want to start to or enable searching in the Django admin so you can quickly find the records based upon specific fields. So let's take a look at how we can enable a search box in the admin for specific fields. Let's jump back into admin. We'll go ahead and, if you are following on from the previous tutorial, we'll go ahead and re-enable the category admin class. Let's just recreate that because we're going to need to make some customizations here. So we're going to need to remember the fields that are currently present in the category table, so name and slug. So let's just go for, let's go for a name. Really, we need a few more fields, but let's just go for name and slug for now. Right. Okay, so for this, we just need to specify the search fields, and then we can specify which fields we want to search. So in this case, it's going to be the name and then the slug, which needs to be in doubles or singles. There we go. Right, so let's go back to the admin site. I think I could have explained this in a lot simpler way. This is going to provide a search feature in the category area in the Django admin, which is going to then allow us to search for different records in the database. And we're going to search the name and slug fields for any string that's entered into the search field. So with that done, we go back. This is the before. And then if we refresh, this is the after. So we now have a search input form where we can go ahead and search for records in our table.